Compost to create materials to enhance soil health and to keep organic wastes from landfills. Aim for 30 to 1 carbon to nitrogen layers. You want 50% moisture. Too moist leads to foul smelling, anaerobic conditions that release greenhouse gases. Break items up before adding them to your compost pile for good air circulation. Aim to make a bin 1 cubic meter that is big enough to prevent heat loss and drying out and small enough to allow for good air circulation. Turn a mix of compost to let edges get hot to when compost looks done. Let it cure for 4 to 8 weeks so you don't burn seedlings or new roots.